Let's dive into how to incorporate a song into your Instagram post. To begin, open your Instagram app. Navigate to the post where you wish to add a song. Simply tap on it. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom of the post and you'll spot a small arrow icon indicating the option to share. Tap on it. Now at the top right corner, you'll notice a sticker icon next to the letter icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Among the sticker options, you'll find music's displayed prominently in the middle of your screen. This is where you can select the music to complement your Instagram post. Feel free to explore the music library or search for a specific track. For demonstration purposes, I'll click on this one. Now, you can pinpoint the portion of the music that you want to include in your Instagram post. You have control over the duration with a maximum limit of 15 seconds. Adjust it to your liking, then tap done in the upper right corner. Once you've made your musical selection, tap done again at the top right corner. Now, you can position the music sticker wherever you prefer on your post. You can resize it and customize the design according to your taste. After you're satisfied, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Finally, click Save to store the post directly in your gallery. As you can see, the video has been successfully saved. You can then return, discard the draft, and tap the plus sign at the bottom center of your screen to create a new post. Choose the post you've just crafted and share it as you typically would. You've now added a song to your Instagram post. If you'd like to discover how to pin posts on Instagram, simply tap on the screen, and it will guide you there. Until next time,